Good morning, mates. Nickaway. I'm south side of Bob Hall Pier this morning. I was getting up to go for a bike ride and my tyre was flat, so I come out on the Black Beast. Anyhow, let's see what's going on. We've got a high tide, or we had a high tide, 4:26 this morning. Low tide is going to be 6:49 this evening, so driving, as you can see, is awesome. That high pressure is pushing everything out. That high pressure is what we were hoping was going to stay in place and protect us from Beryl, that beast Beryl that's off Jamaica at the minute as a Cat 5. Never seen before this time of year. Anyhow, that's moving east, so there's a lot of the tracks are starting to move it north as it comes across that Yucatan Peninsula and come up towards us. But I'm going to keep you posted on that. Fingers crossed. It is going to ease off as it goes across into the Yucatan. The force of the storm is going to drop a bit, but it's still a very, very serious situation. You need to get ready for it, get some waters in, fuel, etc. like that. Currently, very little wind at all. They're predicting it's going to build from the southeast at 16 miles an hour with an air temperature currently 85 degrees, sea temperature is 88. Beautiful morning, water clarity, going to put that at a 4 to a 5. It is improving drastically over what it was a few days ago. You've still got some good surf, good 4-footers out there, maybe 5. The surfers are taking advantage. There's good separation between the waves. Anyhow, as I said, driving's awesome. It's going to improve throughout the day. 2-wheel drive should be fine, no problem. Just watch out for that soft stuff where people have been traveling. Let's check some drone footage out. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget, it really does help if you subscribe. I'm going to keep you posted as best I can with current conditions and let you know what's going on. Stay safe. This is Nickaway from Breakaway with your best damn surf fishing report.